Okay, so what is our first step?
You have to find derivative.
Take the derivative.
Oh, video it.
I am.
For Dylan.
And Kate.
I don't know where Dylan went. Hopefully he's getting us more tea.
He's probably the best when talking to somebody.
Yeah, but did you hear?
Shh. I'm recording.
Okay.
I'm sure she'll find out.
So that's our derivative, right?
Yes. I did that to 0.
Right, so set that equal to 0.
Is this like review that you guys did yesterday?
No.
Oh, this is new one?
Minus
Yes.
1.
Good.
Oh, we have to look on this thing.
Yeah, after, right now.
After.
No, you divide by 2.
Divide by negative 2. So sine x is
That's a
1
positive
half.
two, ain't it?
So we want to figure out, no, because
If you change the other side.
It would be a positive 1.
not when you're dividing. Yeah, so it's positive 1 half. I'm right.
Look, she has it. It's
I'm right.
Is she really?
Oh, I think I misheard you.
That's okay. All right, so now we want to look at our unit circle and tell when sine equals 1 half.
It's at pi over 3.
Okay?
And it's also pi
At
over
pi
6.
over 6.
And it's also at 5 pi over 3.
Okay, so let's say it says from 0 to pi. So then we just need pi over 3 and somebody said pi over 6? That's not right. Pi over 3?
Pi over 6.
5 pi over 3.
No, sine is the second one, remember?
Yeah.
Pi over 6.
5 pi over 6 and pi over 6.
Isaac was wrong. It's not pi over 3. It's okay. All right, remember, sine is the second number. So at pi over 6, yes, and 5 pi over 6. So now,
I don't understand the little blockies you put, like where it can't go past pi.
so sometimes it will tell you, because especially for trig functions, that can happen infinitely, right? Because they go on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Like, they look like this, right? So if we don't, like, set some kind of interval there, then we could be doing this math all day. Right, so that's why it wants you to just look at what's happening between 0 and pi. Right.
How do you know where they are on the number line?
They go in order from smallest to
How do you know which one's smaller, which one's bigger?
So 1/6 is bigger than or smaller than 5/6,
yeah,
right?
This one makes more sense. But like if it's like
If you're not sure, just divide it out and get a decimal.
okay.
So if it has those things, like where it gives, like where it can't go past.
That means you don't have to check on the outsides of it.
Okay, so those are like critical numbers as well?
Kind of, yeah. Yes. Okay.
Wait, 0 and pi?
Yes.
How do you know that?
Well, it would tell you that. I forgot to write it at the beginning, but we only want to see what's happening. We're only worried about what's happening from 0 to pi. Right? Because remember, sine and cosine graphs are like this.
Gotcha.
So they're full of maxes and mins and increases and decreases. We could find a million of them if we wanted. But yeah, right? So we stop at 0 and pi. So we need something in between 0 and pi over 6.
Put 0.25 between 0 and pi over 6.
4
Is that-
pi over 6.
Whoa.
0.25.
Pi over 12?
Is that smaller than pi over 6?
Pi over 6, I'm pretty sure, is 0.52.
Okay, so yeah, 0.25.
Which makes it 0.25.
And then, so we need what's 5 pi over 6?
5 pi over 6 equals 0.61. 2.61.
So 1. Got it.
Oh, 1.
And then 5 pi over 6 to
3.
pi, yeah, 3. Great. Love it. Okay, so then we plug those in right here.
So which one?
Make sure your calculator is in radians.
Radian.
Tell me that before we start tomorrow, okay? Because I'll forget.
Kaylee, especially double check the yellow ones because we've been using them a lot in trig class. So, yeah. Actually, somebody's, I want to say Kate. Look, somebody's is on the table back
You
there.
say 3. Where 3 is.
Was what I got it. That's,
There's a blue one back there. Yeah.
I got mine.
I think you left it all right. See what number it is.
That's mine. No, I think mine's in my. I got it on my back.
I think the big one's Kate's.
Yeah, this one's 6. I'm 2.
Oh, did somebody get the blue one finally?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. I was gonna say, Caitlin, you can borrow Kate's if you want. It's back there. Kaylee, where's yours?
In my backpack.
You should have had Emma grab it since she was going to get hers.
I should have. I did not think of it.
I was say you can also use Kate's if you want.
I wish there was a way to just like, instead of typing it in a million times, just like go up.
It is.
You
You
can.
can go up, hit enter, and then you can just plug in the number.
I've been even trying to do that, and I can't.
You should be able to do it on that too. It'll be easier to do it on your regular calculator.
Is this
This
positive,
one's easy to
negative,
do.
positive?
I just did that.
Is it positive, negative,
This
positive?
size it.
I believe so.
That's what I heard.
Yeah, it should be easy.
I got positive, negative, positive, right?
Yep.
Can I get a high five right there?
Yes, sir.
Wait, I got positive, negative, positive.
Hurt.
Right. That's what they said.
Oh, I thought they
Yeah,
said
it's staying
positive.
there.
Yeah, it's tough.
This side over.
I went too far
That
from
hurt.
my bag.
I'm sorry.
I started beeping.
You what?
I went too far away from my bag and I started beeping.
Oh.
Scared me. Positive, negative, positive, yay!
Good work, guys. Okay, so our increasing is from what?
0
Negative infinity
to
to
pi over
0.
6.
Whoa, increasing.
Negative infinity to 0.
Not,
To pi over 6.
no, guys. Okay, it has endpoints. We didn't check what happens outside. So 0 to pi over 6 on this one.
Why not what?
Do you do that with all of them?
No.
Like all the pi ones.
Oh, yeah, usually on the trig function ones, they're going to have endpoints. And
5 pi to over 6 to pi.
good job. Good work, Isaac.
Wait, what?
And we're decreasing from,
Pi over 6 to
Pi
pi
over
over 6.
6 to 5 pi over 6.
yep,
I want to grind today.
you guys are pros.
I understand this part completely. It's getting to this part.
Me too.
All right, so then do we have a max?
I don't
Whoa,
understand
what
this.
is that?
Yes, we have a max. Let me think. Negative.
Well, I haven't been doing this in my practice.
I haven't been doing this.
You
in
have an
practice.
absolute max at pi over 6.
How do you
We don't know it's absolute, but
How do you know
A
that?
max.
because we're going from increasing to decreasing.
What, that'd be a min.
No, max.
Oh, your max is at pi over 6.
Yes,
And your min
Your
would
min
be,
is 5 pi over 6.
yes.
why? Because it stays down below?
Because now we're going from decreasing to increasing. Right? It looks like this.
I haven't been doing this the whole time.
Well, now we are.
I like this. If you just gave me the graph and told me to do this, all of this, good quiz.
What, you gotta be able to take the derivative. Boring. Okay, let's do another one.
The derivative's just the
Yeah, how
absence
many
of the
of those
actual
do you eat?
problem.
That's Emma's. Gotcha.
They're just awfully hateful to each other, aren't they?
And Kara's called me an elephant in practice the other day. Did she? Yes.
That was not nice of
Because
her.
I was actually a fat elephant is what she called me.
Also
Because
not
she
nice.
shocked, she missed, and I said fat L. She goes, fat elephant. That was
Well, that's Kara's one.
Okay, try this one.
That's fun. You have to find. Do you drop it?
Drop what?
Or do you have to divide by it?
I mean, if you're, hold on.
You have to find things that add up to 4, right?
Yeah, I got that.
Hey, but I have a positive 4 and a positive.
So you took out a 3? I would take out a negative 3.
Know what I'm saying?
Oh, I did it.
Just take away that negative sign completely.
No, I'm
Yeah.
saying.
So that 3 can go away.
What?
Yep, that's how we
Oh
do
my
it.
gosh, I got there.
Okay, so
Plus 3
that's what I was
equals
asking
0.
if that 3 goes away.
X plus 1 equals 0. I did it.
Good work.
I haven't even done this.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you too. I'm always proud of you guys, even when I'm mad at you.
Really?
Even when we don't
Is
know
that
what
the
we're doing.
truth?
Listen, you guys now versus you guys at the beginning of calculus are like entirely different people.
How did you get?
They said she's really good at cheating at the math info at BT's.
How did she get that?
That's horrible.
How did she get what she got? Here's
She
what I-
said you have to cheat to get a good grade at the math.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
But if you need help,
Back up
I got
here.
you.
Back up here. Make this a negative.
Adam remembers the math info days.
Because you pay so much money and they don't
And
even
then-
have a math teacher.
Yeah, make this one.
They don't have a math
Look
teacher?
at the
I mean-
you have to factor.
Again?
No.
Typically, no, unless you're like
Square.
a math major or like engineering. But even then, all their basic beginning math is all in Math Info.
So you would do
Why is my brain not functioning? What's bigger than
Factor
negative
it
1 but
because
smaller than negative 1?
1.
Smaller than negative 1 is.
That
Wait,
doesn't
this
make any
one?
sense.
Yeah.
Negative
So
2?
you make this
Well, I
whole
put
problem.
negative 2 there, but what do you put?
Bring it down.
Or to the
X
left of
plus
negative
1,
This one?
Negative
2?
X
What
plus
negative 2 is in the
4.
middle?
No, this one would be.
Set both.
So these are your two critical numbers. So you can test 2 in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm backwards.
Yeah,
Yeah,
in there. It's confusing.
Yeah, I saw her write it like that. That's why I can't.
Yeah, I got negative
Yeah.
4, negative 2,
Okay.
and 1.
I'm better
That's
now.
better, yeah.
Emma,
I still don't-
that was boggled my brain.
No, you know what?
I was doing one of these
Once
this
you factor
morning.
this,
You told me to like
Yeah, I got that.
bring down the
Once you
negative
factor
3
this
with
part,
that
factor
and then
this,
make that
Yeah.
one as well.
May I
to
ask?
times
Like, I
the-
have-
No, I didn't. I told you not to do that.
No, I have it written down.
and you have to
Why
make sure
did you
this
repeat
is
your negative 1?
this addition.
Because I meant to.
How- What I'm supposed to do with that.
That's because
did.
I have
On
errors.
this?
Never mind.
I'm not all in it today.
Remember to use
Holy jeez, that's
the original numbers.
Those are your two derivatives.
That's negative 1.
I gotta remember to-
No,
which
positive,
equation
negative
I put it
1,
into.
negative 4.
Yep. and that's
Circle
what
your
you do.
derivative on your phone.
Wait.
That
She's
is
gonna
not
want the
what,
answer.
that is not what.
Oh, I wrote it wrong. My bad.
Actually, you're going to want to
I was
multiply.
gonna say, that is not what's
Okay.
crack-a-lackin'.
I'll put it in this one.
So then we number line. Oh, my bad, then we timeline.
Or here.
Okay?
I got
Fine.
positive. This can't be right.
Where did you plug it, Kaylee?
Negative 4, negative 2, and 1.
No, not what. Where? I would plug in the highlighted
Not that
section.
one, the one you circled.
That one's fine too, but
I'm doing the one you circled. I got positive.
You respond, I'm the throw.
hold on.
So then you plug it into this one?
To get negative, positive, negative.
No.
So when you're plugging in your calculator, are you doing?
That was
Hold on.
And I got positive,
Come on,
positive,
man, that's it.
positive.
I got a negative.
You told me to do it outside.
I fixed it.
I got a negative for the last.
So far, I have negative positive.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
dummy me, I cubed it.
Oh well, that'll do it.
Oh, I put my Q on the inside. Of negative.
It's
I have the
negative.
right
because
numbers
it's
here, and I still
Mhm.
cubed it. Can you believe that? And I cubed it again.
Stop cubing it.
Whoa,
Okay,
whoa,
yeah, I got it right.
whoa.
Wendy's is coming out with an orange dreamsicle frosty.
What?
Did you ever try their pumpkin one?
No, I heard it was
Oh my
atrocious.
gosh, it was.
The strawberry one was good.
Oh, I wanted to try the
I'm not a
strawberry.
big frosty person. I don't like the.
I feel like orange would be good though.
So you're not a McFlurry person either.
No.
Seeing.
No.
No, it's not.
Really mad.
And then
So you are, like I said, so we're negative.
Your min would be negative 3, right?
Yes.
Mercy hers.
Right. So you. I like to draw the arrows because it helps me visualize the max and min. So you're increasing from -3 to -1. You're decreasing from negative infinity to -3, and from -1 to infinity. So that means you have a max at -1 and a min at -3. So that's our derivative. Oh, I don't have to tutor today. Oh. On the unit circle, the cosine of 4 pi over 3 is -1/2.
Why can't it not be oh never mind, you only have two intervals. My bad.
Oh, yeah, I get that. Yeah.
can there be 2 maxes?
There can be, but there's not.
But I had it increasing in 2 different spots. Yeah.
Okay, just because it's increasing in 2 spots doesn't mean that.
Is it whichever one is bigger?
Right, so it's going like this. It's like going up and down and then back up. So max is when you go from increasing to decreasing. It makes a max point. And then when you're going from decreasing to increasing, you got a min point.
Okay.
Okay. Did it just like, wow. If you think about how pencil lead is just lead, there's no difference. It's
I
just,
literally did that right, and I've never been happier in my entire life.
I'm very proud of
I think
you.
this one, but is it gonna be harder than this? Cause
No,
100%.
And there's no e to the x or ln's?
no.
Pinky promise? Hold on, let me put this pencil away. Double doozies, that's serious right there.
Why do I feel good about this? It just doesn't make me feel good.
Alright, that's a big bet.
Literally me, Hannah.
Oh my, whose sandals?
Because, like,
Mine.
can you give us, like, a type of one of the
Got
hardest
those
ones on
Jesus
the quiz?
sandals.
I already have.
Of the 3 we've just done.
Wait, the square root ones get me.
Oh, yes.
Can you do-
Can we do a square root one?
We can. We don't need to, but we can.
Yes!
They're not.
Thank you!
Yay!
Jesus.
Oh, I know.
Worst case, I might make one a bonus, but
Okay.
Okay.
Do we get partial clear on bonus, or
Yeah.
does it have to be? Okay.
I was
Okay.
saying. What? September 10th?
Ooh.
Sometimes I overthink.
I've been to school
Then I
in like
give
2
them the
years.
face of it, like when I was born.
You haven't been to a full day of school.
Yeah.
Okay, listen. First of all, I mean, you know I haven't been to school in 2 years.
I mean, my barcode on my